Hi, I'm Arhan, the sports consultant.
And I'm Mohammad Fahad, the chartered accountant, and we have gone rogue in pursuit of data science.
And you can do the same by attending our Game Changer workshop. But more on that in a minute. First, let's address why data science.
Well, 2.5 billion gigabytes of data is generated on a daily basis, and this is only going to grow, which means there's more and more value waiting to be extracted.
$189 billion was the value of the big data analytics market in 2019.
And in just a few months, this is expected to grow to 274 billion US dollars,
making this industry very lucrative currently and for the years to come.
So if I was to ask, most in-demand jobs?
Data scientists.
Highest paid jobs?
Data scientists.
In short, if you're a data scientist, you will always be in the limelight because regardless of department or industry, you will always be able to help businesses reduce costs, improve operational efficiencies, and increase their revenues.
The question no longer is if you will embrace data, it is when will you embrace data. Because change is coming, and if you wait too long, a competitor or colleague will reap the benefits.
And this is why we invite you to our Game Changer workshop as your first step into the data science domain. This is where we will share our transition story, deep dive into data science, AI, and machine learning, and we'll also discuss how we have applied data science across various industries. And then to wrap it up, we will provide a practical workshop so you can get dirty with data.
But if it is not documented, it did not happen. So we will provide you with a certificate as well. If we can take the plunge, so can you.
Look, data science transformed our lives, and now your disruption awaits you. So register your interest, and we look forward to meeting you in person very soon.